So how big is the Frunk on a Tesla Model X? The Frunk offers 5.3 cubic feet of storage space, which is 150 liters. It's a convenient front trunk, perfect for smaller items and groceries. Let's dive into the specifics. The Frunk's internal dimensions are approximately 44 inches wide, 32 inches deep, and 30 inches tall. The Falcon Wing doors allow it to open vertically, making it very accessible, giving a flat loading surface. The design is unibody integrated and sealed for water resistance, protecting your belongings. Now for the practical part. What can you realistically store in the Model X Frunk? It's suitable for 2 to 3 golf bags vertically, medium-sized suitcases, sports equipment like soccer balls or skis, and of course, groceries. Keep in mind it is limited in space, so you will not be able to fit larger items like full-sized refrigerators. Many Model X owners find the Frunk incredibly useful for everyday tasks. For instance, it's perfect for stashing groceries after a shopping trip, providing quick access without opening the main trunk. Golfers particularly appreciate the Frunk's vertical space, often fitting 1 or 2 golf bags along with accessories. The depth allows for secure storage without items shifting. To maximize efficiency, many owners use organizers or dividers inside the Frunk. These help separate items and prevent them from moving during acceleration or braking. However, owners should be cautious of the weight limit around 100 pounds. Overloading can cause damage, so distribute items evenly and consider using cargo liners for added protection. While the Tesla Model X Frunk offers a convenient 5.3 cubic feet of storage, it's not the largest in the EV market. Let's compare it with some competitors to see how it stacks up. The Rivian R1T impresses with a larger frunk of 12.1 cubic feet, almost double the Model X's capacity, making it better suited for bulkier items like camping gear. The Ford F-150 Lightning takes it further with 14.5 cubic feet, providing even more space for larger loads such as multiple bags or equipment. Even Tesla's own Cybertruck dwarfs the Model X with a massive 100-plus cubic foot frunk, offering truck bed-like capacity for heavy-duty storage needs. In summary, while the Model X Frunk is practical for everyday use, competitors like the Rivian R1T, Ford F-150 Lightning, and even Tesla's Cybertruck offer significantly larger frunks for those needing more storage capacity. Experts at Car and Driver praise the Model X Frunk for its accessibility and convenience for urban drivers, noting that it provides just enough space for daily needs without being oversized. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has called the Frunk a cool feature, but has hinted at potentially larger Frunk designs in future SUVs, suggesting evolution in Tesla's approach to storage. However, some analysts note that competitors are surpassing Tesla in Frunk size. For example, the Rivian R1T offers 12.1 cubic feet, and the Ford F-150 Lightning provides 14.5 cubic feet, both larger than the Model X's 5.3 cubic feet. Frunks are becoming increasingly common in EVs, with about 70% of new EVs having them in 2025. The trend is toward larger frunks and more innovative designs, possibly with modular features or smart home integration. Expect to see frunks evolve even further in the coming years.